This is a ryokan called Sekitei in Hatsukaichi, Hiroshima Prefecture. It's across the way from Miyajima, Itsukushima, actually. About 45 minutes from main Hiroshima area, and about 30 minutes from Kintai Bridge and Iwakuni Castle. So this room is called Oimatsu. So let's take a look. Walk in. So you can see this is the main living room. And there's 何のアイスクリームだったっけ？なんか言ってたね。Amazake ice cream. Some sweets and some tea. So this is the dining area where we will actually be dining in the room. Over here is the bedroom. And you can slide the door shut, but and then little closet where they have the yukata, among other things. Turn back around. So the rooms, many of the rooms face a inner garden with views of the Setoichi Sea. And here's a little sitting area here for that. And then over here, another sitting area. And a mini bar, hot water machine. Kind of a library or den, if you will. And then you come around back this way. And then, 2階はどこだっけ? Oh. Alright, so if you come around back this way, there's two ways to go. You can also go from the entrance through this little thing. Actually, I believe, yeah, so this is the bathroom, toilet. You can go from this door, which is where the entrance is, or through here. And then, don't know what this is. I guess it's a little desk area. And then, so there's steps that go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. And voila. Onsen. Natural hot springs mineral water. And then you have a shower. And you can open up the veranda to make it the bath of the open air variety. Really good smell of the hinoki wood of the tub. This is where I'll be right after I finish this tour. So going back down, better watch my step here. So going back down, let's take a look at the niwa, the inner courtyard. Yeah, open this up. Yep, and they have geta slippers down here that you can put on, slip on, to explore the yard. So that is Itsukushima, otherwise known as Miyajima, of the famed Itsukushima Shrine and the Torii Gate, the red one that you see in travel brochures everywhere. So this is the inner courtyard. Really pretty. You have the purple Fuji flowers. You have some momiji trees, the maple. You have a cute little pond with koi. And over here is the a lounge area and a dining area, a restaurant. Although in our room we'll be able to dine in our room. So anyway, so this is Sekitei in Hatsukaichi in Hiroshima Prefecture, about 45 minutes away from the main sites of Hiroshima, including the atomic bomb dome, the museum, things of that nature, as well as and then Miyajima is a 15-minute ferry ride away. The ferry terminal is about 10 minutes drive from here. So, anyways, Sekitei in Hatsukaichi, Hiroshima.